Hey everybody. With so many people working out of the newsroom, and that includes a lot of people that don't typically use Oasis, that are now using Oasis to download video or to upload video. I'm getting a lot of questions about how do you do this in Oasis? How do you do that in Oasis? So let's go over the two most basic things about Oasis, how to upload video and how to download video. First, go to the login page, put in your username and password. If you don't know your username and password, email Chris Smith and he will get that to you. And we're here at the main search page. Now, to download video, two ways you can download video. One is by checking a box or boxes, then come over here to Actions and Request. You can request the video and it will go to the RVR in a Oasis folder, or you can select download and it will download directly to your computer to a folder that you can choose right here. Another way would be to click on the story. You can
Tonight, Charlotte City Council is voting to amend.
You can even set in points and out points. Like say, I only want David's stand-up.
Tonight, Charlotte City Council is voting to amend its existing plans in order to help low-income homeowners and renters struggling to make payments during the COVID-19 pandemic.
And I can only download the section that I've set in and out points for. Or you can just download the whole thing. Then come over here to Actions, Request, and just like before, you can either request the video and it goes to the RVR, or download the video and it will go to a folder on your computer. And then you just hit request. Say you want to upload video. Come over here to Actions, Add Story. Give it a name, Test Upload. There's also a box over here that you can click Embargo. This is if you have video that should not go to other gray stations, for example, CBS video. You would select this box to embargo that video. You can also add information in the script section. You can copy and paste a script in there and then hit save. Now, we get this window. It says no file associated with this story. That's because we haven't uploaded the video yet. So now come over here to Actions, Attach File. Click this button and then we can search for the file we'd like to upload. Choose the file you want and click Upload. You'll get a progress bar right through here. When the upload's finished, click Close. It'll say detecting file type and processing for a few minutes even after the upload's finished, so don't worry about that. But then if we hit refresh over here, there's the video that we just uploaded. So it worked. And that's it. If you have any questions, call me, text me, or email me.